Alright, we got problem 5, where we just need to graph the two equations. Before we can graph, we gotta find a solution. We gotta solve this one, we're gonna solve it for y. So we'll take our 3y minus 12x equals 6. And I'm gonna get rid of the x stuff by adding 12x. Add 12x. And we got 3y equals 12x plus 6, and I'm going to divide by 3 to get y by itself. Divide by 3, y, remember when we have something on bottom and multiple things on top, you have to divide each of them by what's on bottom. So 12x divided by 3 gets you 4x, and the 6 divided by 3 gets you 2. So lovely. We got two very beautiful lines that we can start graphing now. Oh no. So I'm going to go over and make a coordinate plane real quick. Pause video. Alright, okay. It took a while, but I finally got my coordinate grid. After looking at things, I realized I need to have my numbers fairly large. Like, I need to graph y equals 2x plus 8 and y equals 4x plus 2. And this 8 is my y-intercept, so I need to have 8 on my graph, and I want it in the middle-ish, because I notice my numbers are all positive, so my lines are going to be increasing. So it's only going to get bigger from there. But let's graph these. Let's start with the top one, y equals 2x plus 8. Let's put a little dot here at 8, and I have a slope of 2. So if I go right 1, I need to go up 2. So right 1, up 2, gives me a dot there. Right 1, up 2, gets me there. Whoops, I didn't go up 2 either time. Okay, let's try it again. Right 1, up 2, put a dot, silly program. Right 1, up 2, so I'm getting dots like that. And there's my line. I'm sure it looks lovely and it's crooked, but that's okay, because I'm doing this by hand. Let's graph the other one. Y equals 4x plus 2. Since my y-intercept here is 2, let's put a dot there. And it's y equals 4x plus 2, so I need a slope of 4. So if I go right 1, I go up 4 tick marks. Right 1 tick mark, up 4 tick marks. Then go right 1, up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a little dot there. I go right 1, up 4. 1, 2. It's up here somewhere. Like up here. In case you do run out of room, you can go the opposite direction. So if you go left 1, you can go down 4. So I go left 1 and down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a dot there. So yeah, we got dots. They look absolutely hideous, but we'll try and make things work out. And we go like this. And so now we got our two graphs. And remember, the intersection is what we're really looking for. That's the solution to the system. So we solved these and we graphed them, and the two coordinates, the y and the x, you can plug in to make them both true, is this intersection here. And like I said before, with graphing, it's really hard to get a solid grip unless you have really steady coordinate plane and very definite lines. And even then, sometimes they don't cross at really nice intersections. This one, I guess, right, it's a little bit more than 2, so I'm guessing 3-ish. And I think it meets up there at 12. So my guess on this one, according to the graph, is 312.